it?
Many chocolates? A chocolate egg for Easter.
Can you say Happy Easter, India?
You can say happy?
Happy?
No, say happy Easter. Sad Easter. You're confused. Happy!
Happy.
Easter. Sad. You're crazy. What's this?
Nana.
What? What is it? Chocolate? Can we see what else we have? What else do we have? What's this? Look, this is a little bunny. See his ears? Hop, hop, hop. This to make cookies with. Nanny gave us this.
My papa.
No, Nanny. Should you open this?
Yeah.
Should I untape it for you so you can see? What is it? What do you think it is? Mickey Mouse. I don't know about that. Pull it. Pull it.
What's in this one?
What is it? What is that?
Oh, look.
It's a chocolate chicken. Oh, oh, oh. What is it? A chocolate chicken, and they laid some chocolate eggs. That's funny. What about this one? Oh, look, this is from Peeb. Peeb gave you that. Open it. So, you want me to help you? Here. Put it here. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Oh my goodness. What is it? What? Open it. Why? You want to eat it? You have to wait till we finish opening your presents. There's one more in here. What's in there? And then there's this from Nanny and Brenda. Easter treats. Look! Money! You're not dumb, huh? Is that money? It says, "To dear India, have a very happy Easter with lots and lots of love from Nanny and Granddad." Like, give me some money. That's silly, Nanny.
What's in that one?
What do you have in your hand? Chocolate bunny. Okay, there's one big one. You like this?
Yeah.
It's a little handbag. Who'll give you that? Auntie Sue. You see what's in there?
Yeah.
What's in there?
Ooh.
Sue gave you that. What's in there? Pull the stuff out. What's that? Chopsticks. Ashley, yeah. Ashley Hop. Yeah. Give him a kiss. Give the Ashley a kiss. Oh, give him a cuddle. Oh.
Nice. What else is in there? What else is in there?
Pull it out. Ah, what? Chocolate egg. Oh, wait, I'll take the paper off in just a minute. What else? Pull everything out. What's that? What is it? New, but what is it? Hold it up for us. Oh, that's nice.
Swimmers.
No, just a onesie.
Oh,
Just for summer.
onesie. Cool.
One more present.
Me more.
Mmm. Yummy.
You like this new part? Should we put your money in there? Where's your money? Oh! You found one more hiding in there. Should we put your money in there? Here, I'll give you... You want to open this one instead? You want a chocolate one, huh? Here. Don't make a mess because we got to go outside and find all the Easter eggs.